Have you ever known someone, maybe a friend, a family member, or maybe even you, who felt stuck in your life at work? Or maybe on the outside, you're a successful professional. You work for a great company. You have a great job. You work with great people, and maybe you even make great money. But on the inside, something's missing. Maybe you want more opportunity to grow and to learn. Or maybe you want the chance to build more wealth, to make more money, to be able to put more away for the future. Or maybe you want more freedom, to be able to spend time with family and friends, or take care of things in your community. Or maybe, just maybe, you want to know that everything you're doing is making a difference, that it matters to something that matters to you. If that sounds like you, or maybe somebody you love, well, you're in the right place. You know you have a career decision to make. And maybe you've known it for a while, or maybe you're just starting to explore it now. But you know that making a decision seems overwhelming. It's not black and white. The options all seem risky, dangerous, scary. So if you know that person who's facing a career decision, or if you are that person, then stick around, because I've got some great news for you. I'm Darcy Eikenberg, and I've spent the last 10 years teaching successful professionals just like you how to make better decisions in their careers and in their businesses all around the world. I'm an internationally credentialed coach. I'm the author of Bring Your Superpowers to Work, Your Guide to More Clarity, Confidence, and Control. And I'm the founder of RedCapeRevolution.com, where we help you become the hero in your life at work. I'm honored to have helped thousands of professionals in some of the world's greatest companies, and in professions as varied as communication and marketing and PR, or actuarial and finance, or legal, IT, and human resources. You name it, I've worked with someone who does what you do. I'm honored that I've been able to help so many successful professionals get clear about what they want in their lives at work, to grow their confidence and their courage so that they can get unstuck and start moving forward, and to follow a step-by-step plan so that they can take action and start making the decisions that they need to make. I'd like to teach this process to you as well. Because what if you knew with certainty that the work you're doing right now was the right work for you? That you weren't wasting your time, your energy, your life? And what if you knew with certainty that you didn't have to worry about all the other changes that you can't control, and all the things happening in the world, and what job search is going to look like in 5 years, in 10 years, in 6 months? Because you knew you had a proven process that worked for you to make decisions that are right for you. And what if you had a guide? Somebody who was in your corner, who had been there, who has taught universal principles that can help you make your decisions with certainty, with confidence, with clarity, so that you know that you always have tools you need to make whatever career decision comes up for you next.